Good morning students, I am Ahmed Khazi from Little Star English High School. Today we are going to continue with the chapter Similarity from Geometry of Standard 10th. In the last video we have seen and proved three properties for this chapter Similarity. The first property was ratios of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the products of their bases and corresponding heights. To write it into formula form, A1 upon A2, where A1 is area of first triangle and A2 is area of second triangle. A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 multiplied by H1 divided by B2 multiplied by H2, where B1 is the base of first triangle and H1 is the height of first triangle, whereas B2 is base of second triangle and H2 is height of second triangle. The second property was areas of triangles with equal height are proportional to their corresponding bases. To write it in formula form, A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. Heights are equal, so H1 and H2 are equal, they get cancelled and it becomes, formula becomes B1 upon B2. A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2, where A1 and A2 are areas of first and second triangle respectively, and B1 and B2 are their respective bases. Now the third property we have proved was areas of triangles with equal bases are proportional to their corresponding heights. If the bases of these triangles are same or are equal, then the ratio of areas is equal to ratio of their heights, or A1 upon A2 is equal to H1 upon H2, where A1 and A2 are the areas of first and second triangle and H1 and H2 are their respective heights. Using these three formulas, we are going to solve the questions of practice set 1.1. The practice set 1.1. The question is, base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of areas of these triangles. Whenever you are solving a word problem, first you have to read the question carefully. Then, if you understand it, well and good. If you don't understand it, read it again. Then, write what is given in the question, point-wise. Now, base of a triangle is 9. Base is given as 9. And height is 5. Second point is height is 5. Base of another triangle. There are two triangles. So, we'll assume this as the first triangle. B1 is base of first triangle. H1 is height of first triangle. Base of another triangle is 10. So base of another second triangle is 10 and height is 6. Its height is 6. Find the ratio of areas of these triangles. We have to find, what we have to find? Ratio of areas, that is A1 upon A2. We have to find ratio of areas of these two triangles. Now the solution. The simple first property is A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 multiplied by H1 divided by B2 multiplied by H2. The first property of this chapter, similarity. Now we have to find A1 upon A2. We'll write it as it is equal to B1. B1 is given as 9 multiplied by H1. H1 is given as 5. So we have replaced B1 with 9 and H1 with 5 divided by B2. We have to replace it with 10 and we have to replace H2 with 6 as it is given in the question. Now we will simplify this. 9 and 6, these are both divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. Similarly, 5 and 10 are divisible. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Therefore, A1 upon A2 is equal to, in the numerator is 3 multiplied by 1 divided by, in the denominator it is 2 multiplied by 2. Therefore, A1 upon A2 is equal to 3 multiplied by 1 is 3 divided by 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Therefore, the ratio is 3 upon 4. What we have given is find the ratio of. So at the end of every word problem, every numerical, we have to write a statement. The ratio of areas of the triangle, areas of the triangles is 3:4, or we can also write it as 3/4. The second question of practice set 1.1 is, in the figure 1.13, BC is perpendicular to AB, AD is perpendicular to AB, BC is equal to 4, AD is equal to 8. Then find area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADB. So the points given in the question are, first point is BC is perpendicular to AB. So considering triangle ABC, if AB is the base, then BC will be the height, as they are perpendicular to each other. Second point given as AD is perpendicular to AB. Now AD is perpendicular to AB. So considering triangle ABD, if AB is the base, then AD is the height. Third point given is BC is equal to 4. BC, here it is 4. AD is equal to 8. AD is 8. Now, then find. You have to find area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADB. We have to find the ratio of the areas of these two triangles. Now for the solution. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADB is equal to. For easier understanding, let us draw these two triangles separately, ABC. Now for this triangle ABC, the base will be AB and height will be BC. So AB multiplied by BC divided by. For triangle ADB, let us draw it separately. This is A, this is B, and this is D. Here it is 90 degrees. The base will be again AB. These two triangles have common base, and height will be AD. So AB and AB gets cancelled. Therefore, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADB is equal to, AB and AB got cancelled. Now here it is BC. The value of BC is given in the question. It is equal to, BC is equal to 4. So we will replace BC with 4 divided by, the value of AD is given as, AD is equal to 8. So value is 8. Now 4 and 8 are divisible. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Therefore area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADB is equal to 1/2. This is the required answer. For today's homework, write the 3 formulas we have learned today 3 times and learn it. Also, we have solved 2 problems today. Solve it on your own again in your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.